Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a hollow wall anchor. All of these hollow wall anchors that I'm going to show you are rated for a specific amount of weight that they can hold. So depending on what you're going to be hanging on the wall, you need to choose wisely and also understand that some of them may require drilling prior to the anchor going in. Now this first one, you do it all with a Phillips head screwdriver. You locate where you want to place the anchor. You put the anchor right in that spot, and with the screwdriver, insert it into the anchor. Use your hand on the back side of the screwdriver to kind of pop it in, breaking that front face of the drywall until the screw portion of it hits the drywall. Then, with even pressure, turning clockwise, screw the anchor into the wall. Once it's flush, you can install the screw and hang whatever it is you want to hang on it. This is one of the most common wall anchors. It's a plastic wall anchor and a screw. Now you will need to pre-drill the wall to put the anchor in, and when you look at the package, it'll tell you what size drill bit to use. Drill the hole in the drywall, then pop the anchor in place. You may need to use a hammer to tap it flush. And then from there, use a screwdriver to install the screw. This toggle bolt or butterfly is one of the most useful and one of the heaviest duty items you can use to hang things on a wall. Again, you'll have to pre-drill a hole according to the size of the toggle that you purchase. It will be on the package so you know which size drill bit to use. Kind of a tip is these bits are bigger than you think. Then you screw the screw into the toggle, fold it using your fingers, and then insert it into the hole. Then with pressure pulling back on the screw, you want to tighten that screw to draw it in place. The tighter you turn that screw, the more secure the toggle is. This hollow wall anchor is very heavy duty and can hold up to 80 pounds. The difference between this one and a toggle is you pre-drill the hole first, hammer it into that hole, and then you use the screw to activate the toggle and or butterfly on the back side. Once that draws in and is tight, you remove the screw, hang whatever it is you want to put on there, and then reinsert the screw and tighten it up. Coming up next, my video on how to remove a wall anchor.